yourself at all times, obey my commands at all times. Touch gloves, step back, let's do it.
Flyweight division, watch the speed. Oh! Huge 1-2! My goodness! Govind though trying to push off. He's doing the right thing. He's covering the breathing. It's going to be a very tough. Oh, you know what? He's got to be careful here because slamming an opponent makes it go on right now. You can see they're not as high up. Beautiful check there.
Oh,
by
good right hand there from Govind, but Clinton immediately says that it
again,
can't do
you
any
see that
damage.
stinging jab.
Because he knows that he's... Oh, man.
God, that low calf kick. You can see immediately a shot out of desperation by Govind.
Another inside kick.
He's so busy. Clinton is... Oh! He's hurt. He got caught with that right hand. This is what I mean by a power differential. Anytime someone can switch your lights up. New school MMA again he's cracked him with that right hand. Govind needs to be careful here. He needs to keep his hands up and get some distance. He cannot stand in the pocket and trade with because he's proven to have been that.
Clinton बार वहीं रुक के मारते हुए Govind is definitely hurt with that series of right hands onto his face.
Again. Oh, he's out.
It seems he's almost out. He is definitely one or two more punches. Oh, man.
He's hurt badly.
He's hurt
badly. And big combinations there. Clinton de Cruz is opening up on Govind Ale. He's busted up. He's hurt. His eyes are foggy. But Govind. Big shots again.
This fight has been absolute. Oh, man.
Coming back with the combination. I cannot believe it. He cracked Clinton de Cruz.
Talk about that right. That is Govind Ale, ladies and gentlemen.
Uppercut. Oh, again left hook. Right hand.
It seems that the Mars is in retrograde, and Govind Ale has made an excellent comeback.
Govind Ale is a god.
Wow.
This man is a nightmare. The punishment that he can take.
Definitely a nightmare.
And cracked Clinton is just a big knee. Big right hand. Oh, takes another right hand by Clinton. Dig deep in this round. Who can dig deep and find that moment? Big uppercut landed. Beautiful uppercut landed there. And Govind Ale shrugged that takedown up. He's got a single. Clinton's got a single there. That's a body lock and tries to drag Govind Ale. Govind spins and rolls beautifully.
And the crowd is absolutely loving this.
Those low calf kicks. But that 1-2 combination dropped Govind initially, and Clinton jumped into that guillotine attempt.
But this is fight of the night.
This is fight of the year. Fight of the year. Not fight of the night. Fight of the year. Both men stepped into the pocket and traded with reckless abandon, and Clinton de Cruz showed the power differential there. Landed some brutal right hands which caught Govind Ale and almost put his lights out. But Govind Ale, the veteran that he is, found a way to turn it around. Appreciating it. This was the story of round number 3. And you know, it was just a point where Clinton knew he had to take this fight to the ground. He knew Govind was tired. Govind tried to roll out of these positions, tried to get on top, but eventually the base of Clinton was so strong, so tough, and he held this position for the rest of the fight, landing short punches. And the work had been done in round number 1 and round number 2. Both fighters went to war, and I think Govind Ale just came up.
Just do it. You know, I thought that I would be speaking a bit in Hindi, but now that I'm with...
Very nice. No, that was a slip. It was a slip. Both fighters tried to... Done. Very, very nicely done by Sahil Rana. But look at this omoplata attempt by the Serbian. Herdin, though, stepping in and saying, you got to get the action moving. Oh, very nicely done.
Beautiful shots there from Sahil Rana.
He's got some very good low kicks, and he sets up that right hand just like that.
And a beautiful
kick to the body.
Let me complete that. Anshu Jubli is famous for using this
very
combination.
nice right hand. Again the combination.
Sahil Rana और यहाँ पे जॉर्जी को थोड़ा सा अंदर घुस.
Just missed with that big overhand. Nice left hook, stepping left hook. Head kick, but blocked, beautifully blocked by Jordi here at MFN. Is just spectacular to watch. Beautiful right hand, left hook combination. And you can see this very nice. Gets back to his feet, but he's got his hands clasped. Slam time, slam time, slam time.
Picked him up like a boy and threw him down.
Guillotine. Oh, big knee. And very smartly, Jordi.
जॉर्जी को अपने कॉर्नर में लिया. बहुत बढ़िया.
That's a nice right hand. It's good checks by Jordi though. Nice left hook. Very nice low calf kick there. And swing and a miss by... Don't ever ask me, but take a look at the
Arjun
replay
is not the
here.
judge.
Let's look at the action replay.
Let's look at it. Georgi Stayanovic took his chances. That was a slip by Sahil Rana. That was the start. Jordy just trying to close the distance with some wild strikes, trying to step in. But I love the fact that he throws that inside leg kick over and over again. Nice head kick landed by Rana, then landed a nice left hook. Controlled the pace. I would certainly say he had the advantage in the striking. And look for that knee over and over again. He landed that, missed that knee earlier there, but gets the takedown. This was the slam that got the crowd up in arms and got us excited as well.
Corner.
Here we go. Let's take a look at some of the highlights of that fight. It was textbook after a point for Rana, who landed the better, cleaner shots. Jordy came back with some shots of his own, tried to land a few good hands there. A reversal of position, jockeyed for it and got that. The minute he got the takedown, he was near his corner, settled down for the win. Beautiful win for him. See if he can make it 3 for 3. Nice body kick. Methodically.
Yuki with the leg kick of his own.
Careful there, because Yuki is looking to time a knee.
Oh, what a
Beautiful.
fantastic
Great position to be in. And Yuki was finding, very nice shot, left extension of his opponent. Oh, straight left.
Beautiful
Cracked
left by
him.
Yuki.
Cracked him so clean, dropped him to the mat. And hammer fist now.
A thunderstorm of fists
He's
coming
in
from
deep,
Yuki.
deep trouble. Deep trouble for Mohammadian as Yuki looking to finish this fight. Oh, punishment, Rahul.
It's good that Mahmoodian is acting back, otherwise the referee could have stopped it.
यहाँ पे डोमिनेट करते हुए यूकी महमूदिया को ऊपर से बहुत सारे पंचेस फेंक रहे हैं. And as we saw in the keys to victory, he's throwing punches and punches.
Yes, exactly. He landed some good shots on the ground, but it all started with that rangy straight left that dropped his opponent. And this is where this is where I say effectively, the referee I would not be surprised if the referee steps in. But see the heart of Mahmoudian, he's scrambling.
That we have on the card.
Now this is going to be an interesting round to see what Mahmoudian does and mixes it up, because Yuki is switching stances, going forward with different attacks. He knows he's seen a lot of success with that straight left, and that's interesting the way he came in, and reversal, very nicely done. He doesn't throw up a lot of submissions. He doesn't have a lot of scrap. Wait, hang on. He's looking to work towards an arm triangle.
Exactly the same way what Anshul did.
If Yuki can hop over to that, he's got it. He's got it. And a tap. What a victory for Yuki. He did.
I wasn't deaf until now.
This is drum rolls galore.
There may be a fight of the night, but this is definitely the crowd of the night.
Oh, man.
And Mandeep Prajapati with the immediate attack onto Abu.
And then the pinch technique is in half guard.
And it's raining punches onto Abu.
Again now, there you go. See this. There we go. He's got that lock. He's got the lock over and over. And he's by Abu Saman. He's not clean yet, and he's taking some shots now to move.
These are definitely some bombs that Mandeep is doing.
And this is a bad spot for him, because he's got the hooks in, ground and pound galore.
बहुत ही अच्छी यहाँ पे.
Very well stopped the fight.
That's it. It's close to being stopped here, because if Abu doesn't change position quickly, there's no point in him taking extra punishment. And the referee is looking on. He's seeing that Abu's doing a good job defending himself. 40 seconds to go. Can he survive the round? No, stop the fight. Yeah, that's it. And what a victory. This is what I'm scared of. What a win.
And Bagi.
Look at the replay there. This was the story of the fight. The constant trips, the constant takedowns, the control by Prajapati. He switched up the game plan and took the fight to Abu Samad. And eventually, he got the takedown and he got into mount. That was what changed the ball game, because he started landing a lot of ground and pound. He started landing a lot of shots, and this is the end of the fight. He's crouched, he's poised, and Park has his hands full. He knew what fight he's stepping into. Here we go, boys. We've been waiting for this one all month long.
Arjun, I'd asked you if I'd ever seen a crowd as hyped when we saw Mandeep, but I stand corrected. The crowd is going
big knee immediately. Pulls guard and elbow. He's over.
Wow!
Abdul Badakhshi has done it. Show of respect and sportsmanship.
Let's look at the action replay.
It was so short, we can watch the whole fight. Beautiful jab by Badakhshi. Came forward, he had the range, hit him with that overhand right. Park tried to pull guard, he pulls guard here. But unfortunately got at the hands of Badakhshi, who landed 3 clean elbows and closed the show. He's got a smile on his face, and as opposed to Ergashov, was so serious and so stoic. But that's what half of Jason's game is.
Well, I think it's safer to say that Jason is a very mysterious fighter. You don't know what's going on in his mind, and here he eats.
But he needs to be careful. He's eating some shots here right now. He needs to keep his wits about him.
Control of the cage.
Nice right hand by Agashoff. He's managing to find that. Look at Jason. Jason is talking trash now. He's trying to get him to shoot and come forward. And boom, straight to the mat. The difference in opponent is significant. I told you, he uses
Look at
these
that
shots.
reversal here. Look at that reversal by Delhi Dawn.
He's different. See what kind of defense he employs here. Oh, look at that. Armbar attempt there.
Jason taps. Jason taps.
Hang on,
Jason has tapped here.
Bodies mysterious. Let's take a
Let's
look
check
here.
it out.
Look, he's pulling for the armbar. He's crossed over. Jason counters, but that arm
And that's
gets
where he
trapped.
taps. That's where he taps.
No, that arm gets trapped in a very weird manner because it's just gotten folded there. So I think his shoulder may have popped, his elbow may have popped. See that? It's like it's almost at an omoplata position there, without the hip being over the shoulder.
Clean.
It's
Touch gloves. Let's do it.
without blinking. He has not taken his eyes off him for even one split second. Check this out now. Look at that.
Whoa,
Oh wow!
man.
Look at that. Slugfest instantly. He's taking his time. He's waiting. He's not landed a clean shot yet, but that's a good jab.
That Sanjeev brings in.
It's just timing. He broke his nose. And this is going to get worse.
Round two begin.
I love the fact.
Whoa!
Definitely
Sham
broken.
is
Shot
There you
from
go.
Shamana.
And I think, oh man!
huge shot. Massive.
Well, you have to give props to Shamana.
Maker.
Beautiful shots there from both gentlemen.
Whoa! We've seen a lot of straight punches between both these guys, and they're all in, exchanging heavy level.
Naomi because very nice overhand right by
Well-
close. It more or less.
Well,
Body
Sanjeev
shot.
throwing in a body shot.
Big body shot. He hurt him with that one. The liver shot hurt him. Touching him over and over. You see that he missed him there. Both fighters swings and misses by minor margins, but a couple of those body shots landed by Budwar. And that right, straight right, that has been the determining round.
and that was the punch that put Sanjeev onto the ground.
That's the one that dropped him, and that's what started the ball rolling, right hand. But the body shots and the jabs, that's what I want to see more from Sanjeev Budwar, because that jab was hurting. I think Sanjeev Budwar got his timing back, he got his concentration back, started landing that jabs, and Sham had started getting a little sloppy. That's the shot to the liver. He cracked him so clean in that exchange. If that just a few more shots and we might have seen a finish there.